Hi there. Thanks for emailing me about your Chapter 7 problem solve submission. So as you mentioned, step 5, there were some points deducted, and the trouble is that it wants you to use specifically the sum function, not the plus sign. So let's go ahead and take a look at your worksheet and just make that conversion. So I'm on the summary sheet. I'm on cell B5. I'm going to type equals sum, and then I'm going to accept the sum function there. Then I'm going to hop over to the Valley sheet and click on B5. I'm going to hold down on my keyboard. I'm going to press and hold the Shift key, and then I'm going to select all the way through Mills. Now I can release my Shift key. I need to add the ending parentheses, so I'm just going to type that in on the keyboard, and then I'm going to press the Enter key on my keyboard. And you'll see that the answers are the same, but that's what it's looking for. So give that a try and let me know if you have any other trouble. Oh, and then give it a try, save it, submit it, and let me know if you have any other trouble.